Today we talk about how can you disable Vibrate notifications on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications here. Then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just come here to Vibrate. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here Vibrate notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.